Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 1st of May 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, and do subscribe it, and do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates of new videos from my side. Okay guys, now let's move towards the technical analysis for the day. I'm going to talk about the signals. And let's get started with Great Britain Pound USD. I have supplied the bullish trend in case of Great Britain Pound USD, and 4 of the pairs have taken the U-turn as per the signals report. Rest of the 6 pairs have not taken the U-turn, so no trades should be triggered on those pairs. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 130459 and 130889 is the target price. And guys, you can see a very sweet upward trend on Great Britain Pound USD today, and it has finally touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, now let's talk about the USDJPY. So basically USDJPY was weak today. I have supplied the bearish trend from 111502 and 111200 is the target price, and guys, you can see clearly it has met the target price. Right from the entry, the USDJPY has started to go weaker, and finally within few hours USDJPY hit our target price with no problem. We do not talk about the losing trade in our analysis. Now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of USD Canadian dollar from 133867 and 134261 is the target price. And guys, in the last hour we have hit the target price with no problem. Right from the entry here, you can see the scalper has also pointed us with a white signal in the so that you can buy the pair. And finally USD Canadian dollar has moved up and it has hit the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today. They must have ended up with very good profits. At last, I am going to talk about another massive trade of the day, that's on AUDJPY with a clear bearish expectation from 78604 and 78241 was the target price. And guys, we have seen a significant big drop on AUDJPY, and finally the pair is down, and you can see we have seen a massive downward momentum on this pair. So guys, overall a very satisfactory day with the signals, but however the 6 of the pairs have not taken the U-turn, but the pairs that have taken the proper U-turn, they have touched the target price. So overall we can say that this is the satisfied part of the day. Okay guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary as per the trading system. If you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is making the bullish momentum from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.